Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Pasalam April 1, 2022 4-star Sudoku. Fourth row and column H we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Second row and fourth row we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column D and 8th grade we have 2 and 9, so 2 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column I we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 8th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column G and third row we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, 5 will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column F, column G we have 5, 7th row also we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Column E and column G we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, 6th row we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. 5th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column B, column D we have 4 and 9 pair numbers, so 4 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. 4th row we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here, since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 7th row and column C we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, 7 will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column B and second row we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Column B we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Second row and column G we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 3rd grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Second row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Fourth row, only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Third row we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column F we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Third row 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 1, 6. Column E, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining, 3, 3 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 10th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Since 8 is here, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Tenth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 9th row and 9th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 9th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 6. It will come in another 3 cells, we will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 3. 5th row and 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 2. Column B and column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column B, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 6. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.